In this video, we are going to learn how to create stock items in a Tally. In a previous video, already we have learned how to create groups, stock subgroups, how to create categories, how to create godowns. These all things, how to create measures, these all things already we have learned. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to create stock items by using all these different categories, groups, godowns and all. Okay. If you want to create items, you need to use this inventory info. Click on inventory info. Here you can see this option as a stock items. You need to click on the stock items, or else you can press I from your keyboard to open the stock item dialog box. Here in these two options we can see single stock item and multiple stock items. Here create, display, alter. These all three options will be displayed for both single stock item and multiple stock items. But here this display and alter, both options are hidden here because you have not created any stock item in this company. So these two options will not be activated by default. If you want to create stock items under single stock item, this create option we can use. Means you can create a one specific or else one stock item at one type by using this create stock item under single stock item. If you want to create multiple stock items, then you can use this multiple stock item of create option. Okay, now first I will show by using single stock item. Click on create. First I will create one item under mobile phones. Then you will be able to understand how to select group under, how to select categories, how need to select unit of measures. Okay. Next one, stock item category create. First I will create one stock, that is the 32 GB Samsung mobile phone. Already group we have taken as a here you can see Samsung mobile phone. This is the sub stock group under this mobile phones. Okay, but I need to select as a sub stock group here. So I will select it as a Samsung mobile phone here. Okay, category you need to select. This will be under the category of single SIM. Okay, now these mobile phones will be measured under the number. So I will select numbers here. Okay. How much percent GST you wanted to apply for this mobile phone, that GST you can apply here. Okay. Next one, accept it. Here you can see quantity, rate and values. These you need to take if this kind of stocks already available in your shops. That time you need to take it as a opening quantity, opening rate, opening values here. Now I don't take anything. Okay, now I will skip this quantity, rate and values. Apple mobile phone. Okay, next one, Apple mobile phone I will take. This I will take as a dual SIM. Okay, numbers. Okay, accept it. Now I will show how to create multiple stock groups. Go to create from option of multiple stock group, and here you need to select as a all items. Okay, now I will create some stock items under dairy products. Okay, here I will select as a milk. Okay, enter, and here you need to select group. This milk should come under dairy products. Okay, next category, there is no any category for this, so this option we need to select as a not applicable because I have not created any categories for this milk and dairy products. So here you need to select dairy products will be measured in units. So I will skip this opening quantity. Next I will take ghee. This will also come under dairy product. Okay, now I will skip this category. Here you can see this liter I have selected. if there is any items already remained in your godown or else shops, that will be considered as a opening stock for the current stock item creation. Okay, now if I given 10 kg, okay, in which godown I have kept this stock, that we need to select here. If I have selected main location, that will be remained in a main location, means already we have placed, means I am selecting this main location, that already this stock I have placed in a, I have kept in a main location. Next one, rate. What was the rate of this quantity, that you need to select here. Okay, 100 rupee I will select. Okay, that will be measured in a liter. 1000 rupee means what it is considered now, this is already there in your godown, that it is considering. If you select given this opening quantity, means this much quantity has already remained in your godown, that it is considering. Next one is pineapple. Okay, this I will select as a vegetables and fruits. So here I have not created any unit of measures. This I will measure under the kg. Okay, I will select a kg of 1000 gram, because if there is any, if this measurement is measuring with a kg and grams, that time I need to select as a kg of 1000 grams. Okay, now next one is what, potato. So these vegetables and groups, here also you need to select as a kg of 1000 grams. Wires. For this wire I have created group as a electricals. Electrical I will select. Okay, now I have not created any categories for this, so this wire will be measured. Sometimes it will be measured under the kgs, or also sometimes it will be measured under the meters. Okay, now next one is refrigerator. Okay, this is also electrical, not applicable. This will be measured under numbers. Okay, Control A to save the changes. If you click on display all items, it will be displayed like this. This is the opening quantity. Here you can see 4 more are there, means some 4 items are there that you can't able to see. If you go down, you can see all the items which you have created under the specific company. In the next video, I will show how to purchase and sales under the credit aspect and debit aspect. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.